Hello everyone, happy Mardi Gras and thanks for joining us today. It's Tuesday, March 8th. I'm Stephanie and it's time to take a walk around the penny. Opening up the show is the day's biggest winner, Intellect Neurosciences Incorporated, symbol ILNS. The equity skyrocketed over 94% on a nice volume of just over 339 million shares. They are a biopharmaceutical company involved in the treatment and prevention of Alzheimer's disease. This morning, Intellect issued a press release touting their newly received patent for the RecallVax technology platform. The vaccine is supposed to delay or prevent irreversible damage to the brain, which is most common in Alzheimer's patients. Our next winner is Paper-Free Medical Solutions Incorporated, symbol PFMS. They provide paper-free turnkey medical solutions to medical offices. There was no news out to accompany today's rally. Nonetheless, the equity climbed 50% on a little over 75 million shares. Today's final winner is eDoorways International, symbol EDWY. This business-to-consumer social networking website rallied roughly 67% on just over 209 million shares. They announced this morning they are taking the necessary steps for a significant institutional placement. They plan on eliminating all current debt and bringing their financial reports to a current status. Quest Oil Corporation, symbol QOIL, was part of our group that took some losses today. They issued a press release last Friday in the after hours announcing a purchase of 560 acres of land in Texas. They believe there's possibly 1.6 million barrels of oil that can be recovered from the land. Today we saw the equity drop over 12% on a volume of nearly 206 million shares. Just like yesterday, shares of this oil and gas exploration company were up early but tumbled during power hour. Elysium Internet Incorporated, symbol EYSM, also took another loss today. They fell close to 19% on 124 million shares. After climbing steadily for the past 2 weeks, the internet company is now on the decline. Perhaps a dead cat bounce is in their future. Let's finish with Remodel Auctions Incorporated, symbol REMD. They were also mentioned as a winner on our show yesterday for a nice rally, and traders had a feeling there would be some drop-off today. The company hit a 52-week low after it fell about 29% on over 68 million shares. They were trading as high as 20 cents in early December, then they announced an acquisition of a railroad, which apparently made shareholders jump off the bandwagon. Lots of chat room excitement about Net Savings Link, symbol CXLT. The company delivers savings deals over the internet to consumers in the United States. Yesterday, it released a statement about its Deal of the Day model, which offers thousands of discounts simultaneously. The stock hit its 52-week high price yesterday and immediately broke that record today. It opened at 43 cents and had a high of 75 cents and a low of 41 cents. Overall, it shot up close to 71% on about 30 million shares to close the day at nearly 7 cents. After being in the winner's circle yesterday for bringing in a new president, Writers Group Film Corporation, symbol WRIT, had chatters loving them even more today. This morning they announced that award-winning video director Andy Morahan was joining their staff as Chief Creative Officer. The stock opened at 9 cents and saw a high of 0.106 and a low of 0.083. It rose 6% on over 42 million shares before closing the day at 0.088. For more information on this stock, check out our website at simplypennies.com. The quote of the day comes compliment of L. Brown 77, who said, "The first rule is we don't talk about Pennyland. Second rule is we don't talk about Pennyland. Can you do me a favor? Hit me as hard as you can." Let's see what was on our newsletter radar. One newsletter was really excited about Urban Barns Foods, symbol URBF. The company produces fresh fruits and vegetables in urban locations. Today they acquired a manufacturer of vertical farming equipment, a groundbreaking agricultural technology. Although this could be great news for vegetables, the stock wilted today. After opening at 12 cents, it fell close to 42% on over 438,000 shares before closing the day at 7 cents. Two newsletters were tag teaming for Enviro Extract Incorporated, symbol EVXA. The technology development company works to clean oil spills and other toxic wastes. Yesterday, it announced that it filed its 2010 annual report with Pink Sheets. The company reported significant revenues in the fourth quarter of last year. But all this good news didn't help the stock much. It opened at 0.0007 and fell nearly 17% on over 21 million shares, closing at 0.0005. It tried really hard, so we're giving it an A for effort along with this BS trophy. Display it proudly, boys. Thanks so much for joining us today. For more penny stock news, you can find us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and our homepage at simplypennies.com. For Around the Penny, I'm Stephanie. Bye. And you want me to just yell this? You guys, this is weird. Okay. Hit me as hard as you can.